Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Roche and Little Roche.
Hello.
And we're here today for Fun Friday because we thought it'd be really fun to make a science experiment with you. So we are going to make
Fluffy slime.
fluffy slime. Now, we have the ingredients right here. We will need 3 to 4 cups of foamy shaving cream.
Foamy because if you use gel or any other type, it will make it really sticky even if you put in a lot of activator, and it won't be good. So always do foamy shaving cream when you want to make fluffy slime.
Perfect. And then we need to have
Elmer's glue. You could have any glue, just make sure it's liquid and whatever your recipe calls for actually. Elmer's glue is the best, and it's white glue, and have a
4 ounces.
Half cup bottle.
Yep. And we need, this is contact lens solution.
It will work as our activator.
That's your activator. And then we also...
We will be needing 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution.
And then when she's mixing it together, sometimes she'll even notice by the feel of it if we need to add a little bit more. So you'll see that.
And the color we will be using are royal blue and super red because this is a science experiment and we want to have purple because red plus blue equals purple. And if you just do white, it's just plain and it's science, so you need to have fun.
And if we are talking about colors, red and blue are what are called primary colors. Secondary colors are what those primary colors make if they're mixed. So if we mix red and blue and make purple, purple becomes our secondary color. So thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Okay, I am going to grab the camera so we can do a close-up and let Little Roche teach you how to make fluffy slime.
Okay, so first we're going to do our shaving cream. Tell me when to stop.
Oh, looking good, looking good. Look how fun that looks by itself. Okay, that looks like it could be about 3 to 4 cups.
So I'm gonna put that down.
Oh, notice it's sticking to your finger, huh? Can we play like slime with that?
No.
No. What happens when we mix these ingredients together? Do the ingredients change?
Yes, it does change.
Because it makes a chemical reaction, right?
It's a science experiment. So do a bunch of blue and a bunch of red because we want this purple. Because white plus purple equals light purple. So we want to make it dark. Well, we want to make it perfect purple. Can I please have a spoon to mix that, please? So look at this. You can see how it is starting to change color a little.
Voila!
It looks like 4th of July colors.
Those are good superhero colors.
It is, because it's for your classroom superhero amazingness. So it's beautiful. Look how gorgeous it is. It has that amazing, see, because it's starting to get purple. So we don't want to mix it all the way. You can if you want to, we're going to get started on our glue. Because this is just shaving cream and food dye, and we need some glue.
Now the glue will change the texture of it a little bit, but it doesn't make a chemical change yet, does it?
No.
Because what do we need to make that chemical change?
Activator, which is contact lens solution.
Perfect.
So we finished that. Now we will be mixing it a little bit right here.
This reminds me of baking. It's kind of like cooking, isn't it?
Yes.
Measuring ingredients, mixing them together in the right way. But don't eat this.
No. This is getting liquidier, and we will be doing 1 tablespoon of our activator.
that's really liquid.
Yes. But it's going to form together.
Oh, I noticed there's a change in your bowl.
It is starting to come together. Now we will be feeling it right now to see how it will be like. This is not good because it is sticking to my hands. When it sticks to your hands,
It still needs more activator then, right?
Yes.
Now, is it okay to just add a little bit of a time till it gets to the right texture?
Yes.
Perfect.
I will be taking out the spoon and using my hands right now.
Ooh.
It is not getting, it's getting good, but not as good as slime is. Can you please let go of the bowl and grab that activator for me?
Yep. How's that?
That's good. This is starting to form. I feel it forming.
Are you ready to do table?
Yes. Can you please move that? Actually, yeah.
More activator?
Yeah. Just like a, actually I can
Oh.
put the activator in.
You
'cause
sure?
I just need like a tad. But thanks for helping though. It, to play, if you think it's like a little bit sticky, if you play with it a lot, it will get better. Okay, so we just made the slime and now we're gonna play with it. So I taught you a little bit how to do a bubble, but that wasn't really good. Look at this. If you don't touch a bubble, it actually stays for like, if you leave it, it'll stay forever.
Oh, but it's so fun to pop it.
Yeah, it's really fun to pop. You could always make more. To make small bubbles on top of the slime, you do it like that. But like, take the bottom and bring it to the top. You want to fill the bottom every once in a while. Take the bottom, take it to the top, and then poke that bubble. I accidentally poked it, that's why it went down, but otherwise it would have stayed. Now, if you want to make a bubble on the table, you would do it this way. This is actually a lot harder, but it makes bigger bubbles. And so,
You know what it looks like to me?
what?
It looks like you're kneading bread dough.
Yeah. Look, if it's like sliding off and it's like this connected to the table, you're gonna want to like push that in, like push the bottom and then put it to the top like that, and it puts like it in like a ball so it doesn't stick to the table.
Well, thank you, little Roche.
And
you one more thing?
Yeah, and if you roll it into a ball like this, it's really fun to do this and stuff.
Well, I also like how it picks up everything else on the table when you do that. Roll it in a ball again. And it kind of just cleans up stuff that's on the table. It's really nice. Anything else you want to share with our Super Kinder family out here before we say farewell for today?
So, you should keep slime in a bowl, like in a closed container where no air can get to it, because if air gets to it, it will get crusty, and if it gets crusty, it's not slime anymore. And then when it gets crusty, bugs are attracted, and then mold starts to come. I don't know where the mold comes from.
Okay, so does it last about a week in a sealed container?
Yes.
Yep.
And if you put it in the fridge, it's really nice too. That works. But put it in a container in the fridge. You also want to seal it in the fridge because whenever you open the fridge, there's air, and the air bubbles come up, and it just, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and see you soon in our next video. Thanks for playing out with us on Fantastic Friday.
Fun Friday.
Fun Friday.
Bye.
Bye.